watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Hallie again with Melody Lane Inspired to bring you another new Cricut mystery box. This one is going to be Cricut's Beach Days Joy mystery box. And this one does come with a cutie. It is a repeat cutie. And when I seen the box, I consider him like the OG. These boxes, the new boxes are, here we go. So these are the boxes we've been seeing for a long time, right? But if you've been cricketing for a while, you know the mystery boxes used to come in a box like this. So this is the one that the cutie is coming in. So you're gonna get it in the old school packaging, or the OG as I call it. And he is in the blue color. So think baby blue, powder blue. So because we do have our cutie in here, the box is for Cricut Access members only. But if you're not a member, go ahead. There are links below to go ahead, look at the membership, and you can join the membership too. And you can also purchase the box, which we greatly appreciate when you do that. Okay, now let's go ahead and jump in and see what else is in the box. And I don't know about you guys, but it's been crazy hot here lately, and the beach was freezing like a week ago, and I feel like now the beach should feel nice. So, speaking of the beach, this is like perfect ocean watercolor, and it's actually called Ocean. And this is permanent vinyl. So you're gonna get 10 feet, so it's 5.5 inches by 10 feet. Now this is smart vinyl, so you can go ahead and put it on your Cricut Joy matless. But if you have another machine and you'd like to use it, you can just go ahead and put it on a mat. So it'd be really good to use for like beach signs, pool signs. I wish I had a pool. It's been super hot here lately, so like pool or beach sounds amazing. And we're getting some more smart vinyl Joy. So this is removable cream color. And this is going to be 48 inches long, and then again that 5.5 inches to be able to fit in matless on the Joy. But again, just throw it on a mat if you don't have a Joy. We got a box within a box, so we're going to go ahead and open the box. And inside this box is a Smart Iron Essentials bundle, and there's all sorts of goodies within this box. And inside this box, first we're getting a blade. That's right, we're getting a Cricut Joy blade. Now this does work in the Cricut machine, or not Cricut machine. Of course it works in the Cricut machine. This works in the Cricut Joy only. Now there's a lot of more smart materials in here, so any of those smart materials, just remember you can cut the matless with the Joy, but you can throw any of these on a mat and cut with any of the other Cricut machines. So we are getting the Smart Iron-On in red. So the Cricut Joy Smart Iron-On is gonna be 24 inches long, and then that 5.5 inches wide. And then we are also getting the same, but in gold. And we're getting silver. So we have silver and gold. That's a song. So we are also getting the Smart Iron-On, same size, in white. We got some sparkly. Ooh, wait a minute. I'm getting ideas. And we're getting the Cricut Joy Smart Iron-On in glitter. Now the glitter ones are 19 inches long, and it's the beautiful black. You can see it. Sparkle. It shows you a little bit on the box there, but that is going to be beautiful black glittery iron-on. And then we are also getting gold glittery iron-on, same size, so 19 inches long. And remember guys, iron-on is not just for like apparel and stuff. Think of cards too. You can go ahead and put this on cards, which I'm doing a wedding or anniversary card, and I'm actually sitting here thinking, so I was thinking of going gold with it, and I'm like, maybe I'll do some iron-on on it instead of some cardstock so I can get that beautiful glitter, because I think I'm out of the black glitter. Thank goodness. You have no idea how bad I need this. I was just about to order another one of these, and I know we can almost always use one of these because I've lost knocked the little thing off with the piece, and then you just have the trimmer. But we're getting the personal trimmer to go ahead and put your cardstock in there and then slide it to go ahead and cut it. But this thing is so handy dandy. And on the back there's a spot too that you can go ahead and put a replacement blade. And then last but not least in the box, we're getting another weeder, and this is going to be the rose-colored weeder. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Beach Days Joy mystery box. I said it right. You guys don't want to know how many times I screwed that up, but it wouldn't be a mystery box reveal without me getting tongue-tied. So this mystery box is going to be $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but there is like huge savings on this because this box MSRP is $163 and the MSRP in Canada is $233. So that is like huge discounts on this, but you also still get your access discount on that too, because you have to be access members to buy. So in the links below, you will find the links to go ahead and purchase this box. We greatly appreciate if you use those links. And also in the links is links to our giveaway, which ends, we're almost at the end of June, not July. We're almost at the end of June already. So our giveaway is going to end at the end of June, which we're giving away the new Cricut Explore 4 to one member in our Cricut Design Space Facebook group. So make sure you enter there. You have 5 times a day that you can enter. Now each project does have to be different. And I know sometimes people are watching that don't have a machine, or maybe their machine broke. So we've opened it to where you can share a project that you're inspired in Design Space too. Now if you do that, please share a link for that. That way people can find that project that you're sharing. And I didn't put that in the rules originally because on Android devices, you could not share the project from there. But now in Design Space, you can. So it is now available to Android users also. So note that you can now go ahead and share the project link. I was like, what is it? That you can now share the project link within Design Space for Android users. So that is great because I am an Android user. So that's great to have that available. So if you are just sharing projects, please go ahead now and include that link. Now that everybody that uses Design Space, no matter the platform, can go ahead and share those project links. And if you guys got the mystery box that came out last week, the Moody Moonlight mystery box, I went ahead and did a project with that and made this adorable little baby bodysuit. So in that mystery box, we got the Cricut blank baby bodysuit. We got some ultraviolet infusible ink, which I did the sassy on there with, so it's like infused into it. And then I went ahead and used some of the iron-on that was in the Sunkissed sampler. So I took the pink from that and then made this cute sassy, just like my mama onesie. Hopefully someday I can have a granddaughter to give this to because she's gonna be me and like her mom, so she's gonna be a little sassy. But one thing I love about the infusible ink is like you can go ahead and it fuses it into so it's all smooth, but then you can go ahead and layer that iron on top of it, really wherever it is. Like that bow I layered right on top of the infusible ink, but it all is like you're not feeling 2 different layers there, or you don't have to worry about like when you put 2 layers of iron on, if you don't slice, you know, you can kind of like see it under there. But with infusible ink, then layering the iron on top, it just makes it so smooth and nice. Oh, it's so stinking cute. Oh, and I'll go ahead and throw the link to this design in the video description below too. And there's actually, I made 2 designs, so that one's in there too. I made another one that said little gassy and a whole lot sassy, and it's got a bow on it too. But I'll go ahead and throw those links below. So thank you guys so much for joining us today. We greatly appreciate it. If you could go ahead, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below whether you got this box. And if you go ahead and hit the subscribe, you will get notified whenever we go live or we have a video come out, which we will always go ahead and release this video as soon as the mystery box is on the Cricut site. And we so appreciate our crafty family so much. You guys are stinking awesome. And we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, everyone. And if you guys stay cool out there, it is hot. It is like Hades hot. So make sure you guys stay safe, stay hydrated, and we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, guys. Bye.